In this video, we're going to work on a percentage problem. It's a word problem. So if we have a problem like this that says Sienna bakes 24 cookies, 25% of them are in the shape of a dog. How many of the cookies are in the shape of a dog? So let's use this strip model to help us find the answer. And we could see that it's cut up into 4 pieces. So 0, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. Okay, so these are usually the percentages you like to work with, right? We're lucky because this is asking for 25%. So we're trying to find this number here, okay? So find how many cookies are in the shape of a dog. So the whole model represents 24 cookies, and the model is divided into 4 parts. So from here to here represents the whole, which is all 24 cookies. And 25% of them are in the shape of a dog, and we just need to find this number. So now we divide to find how many cookies each part represents. So we take 24 and divide it by 4, which equals 6. So each one of these little shapes here represents 6 cookies. Each part represents 6 cookies. Now skip count by 6 to label the bottom of the model. Okay, so here's the model. And we're going to go 6, 12, 18, 24. 6, 12, 18, 24. So now we know that since 25% of the cookies are in the shape of a dog, that means 6 cookies have that shape. And here's the answer here. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that. Practice makes improvement. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in it with a link to this video. And you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.